Under the frigid night sky, Chandri village sleeps, cloaked in a silence deeper than the absence of light. Driven by childlike curiosity, Ali and Mina brave the cold, drawn towards an ethereal, pale blue glow emanating from the old well. As Ali extends his hand, the light pulses softly, igniting an unexplainable awakening within him. In the village school, Ali, once overlooked, fills the page with light, his drawing alive with impossible detail. The teacher stares, speechless, at the raw talent bursting forth from the boy's hand. A spark of curiosity ignites in the eyes of the other children, their disinterest fading as stories and poems awaken the village. Years later, Chandri village has transformed into a beacon of hope and learning. Ali's drawings, now celebrated, adorn the walls, inspiring a new generation. The old well remains, a soft blue glow reminding all that true light resides within.